Hey friends, welcome to Painted By. Today we're going to paint these cute ghosts with darling smiley faces on them. And I'm going to teach you how to paint something white on a white paper. Most little artists aren't going to know how to do this. So this is more of an advanced painting, but I'm going to teach you every step of the way. Let's do it. Let's talk about the supplies that you need for today's painting. Watercolor paper, obviously, paint, water in a jar, paintbrush, pencil, napkin, and then I have a thin marker. You can use a pen, pencil, whatever you'd like. Okay, so we are going to paint a white object. And how in the world do you paint a white object on a white paper? So I'm gonna take light gray. Here's my gray over here. It's just black with lots of water in it. Added lots of water and I mixed it up. Now I'm going to draw my ghost. I'm going to draw the head first. It's a little upside down U. Fill it in. I'm going to do some arms. I don't know if your ghosts are going to have arms, but this one is. I'm going to do like a C for the little tail. And then some wavy bumps to meet up with that tail, okay? Now I'm going to fill it in. So when this dries, this is going to dry even lighter than what it looks right now. I'm going to take my brush and clean it, dry it off completely, and I'm going to pick up some of this pigment where I want there to be highlights, okay? Okay, now I'm gonna do it again. Lots of water on my brush, grabbing the gray. And I'm gonna do another ghost. This one is also gonna have arms. I'm gonna do my head first. Fill it in. Do some arms that's sticking out, bumps. And fill the whole thing in. I want this tail to whip out a little bit. There we go. Wash off my brush, dry it off, and I'm gonna pick up some pigment. Okay, I'm gonna do two little ghosts. Cute head. This one's gonna be just little arms. And then I'm gonna have this tail. Do you know what? These kind of look like sharks right now. Oh, but you just wait, they will not. Dry off my brush. Pick up some of this pigment. I like it just like that. Okay, another one. Now this is gonna be a typical ghost. No arms, like a sheet ghost, right? Let's make it a little more chunky. Cute. All right, dry it off. Pick up some pigment. This one looks like it's flying. All right, now we're gonna add a little bit more shading in these ones. They're dry, so this is gonna be some wet on dry technique. I'm getting some more black lightened up over here. And I'm gonna go along just where I want the shading, okay? We're gonna work on one ghost at a time. You see that? Do it right here. Bump there, and I obviously have some going on right here, okay? Okay, quickly while it's wet, I'm gonna rinse my brush off so it's clean. Scrape it off the side so most of the water is off. And then I'm gonna go along where I just painted and just paint the edge. This is gonna soften it up and spread it out, okay? That's exactly what I want to happen. Scrape it off. Gotta do this so you guys can see. All right, gotta work quick so this doesn't dry over here. There we go. There we go. Okay, I love that one. Now let's work on the next ghost. More paint on my brush. There, some on the tail. And along there. Okay, rinse off my brush, scrape it on the side. Lightly go along the edge. If you still have too much paint down, I completely dry my brush and then pick it up, okay? Now I want my brush to be a little wet, scrape it on the side, gently go on the edge. Okay, next ghost. I'm gonna go all the way around the edge here and then a couple of the bumps, just like that. Scrape it off. Gently go along the edge. Okay, next ghost. You guys getting the hang of it? This is an advanced technique, so be patient with yourself, and the more you do it, the better you're going to get at it. Okay, I got kind of a lot of spots here. Rinse off, scrape all the water off my brush, and let's do it. See how these ones, I don't know if you guys can see that, but do you see how there's that line? I don't want that there. So I'm gonna keep going over until it spreads and blends in, okay? Need a little bit more wet. Okay, last ghost. Okay, I like that so far. Next, we're gonna do the cheeks and the marker for the mouth and eyes. So we need the ghost to be dry. You can get a blow dryer to dry it. You can get a thick piece of paper, or you can just wait for it to be dry and come back and let's do the face. Okay, mine's dry. I'm gonna grab some pink. I want it to be pretty light. And I'm gonna do the cheeks. You get to do them wherever you want to do them. All right, we want this to dry too. Go ahead and do the same thing you did before. Okay, I just drew the faces on my little ghosts. And nobody would know who this was painted by if we didn't sign our painting. I'm going to use a pencil and sign in the corner here. And it's done. Look how cute. You guys just painted a white object on a white paper. Not very many little artistes can do that. Great job, guys. I hope to see you soon.